Alright folks, got this generator for 15 bucks. Chicago electric portable generator. I think it's a 5500 watt or something like that. It's looking a little ugly. Inside the fuel tank is less than desirable. We'll get that taken off and cleaned out. First step, I am going to disconnect the fuel lines and get this tank out of here. And we'll run it off a different tank for now, because it looks like it's gonna need complete tune-up. Nope, not the same size. And that comes off like that. Then that slides. Sit this off to the side, put these back in here because you know I lose them. This is one of the smaller projects. I had a free boat video that I was gonna do, and the engine's totaled, so I'm not gonna do that. Let's see if it'll fire up, or at least turn over with the little ether. Let's see what we got here. Little ether. The key is on. Is there a choke on this thing? Gonna assume that's that. Let's see. Doesn't sound like much of anything. Of course, it did not come with a key. So I didn't actually have to take the whole ignition pack apart. I just kind of got down to where I knew things would be. So it's got an electric starter on it, so I bypassed the switch, found that this stays positive to battery, and this is what comes from the solenoid. So if I jump those two with positive, I get rotation. All right, so that's great. Next step, I tried to do it while spraying some starting fluid. That was wildly unsuccessful. So now I'm going to take this air box off here. Yeah, please don't wants to do that. Hold this, has this story free boat, but nope. Like, looks like those things go to the scrapyard. I'm sure it's gonna be up for sale. Set that to the side. We're going to open it up, spray some starting fluid, close the choke, and she's a runner, folks. She's a runner. Yes. Spray a little more. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Next step is let's plug something in and see. All right. LEDs, low power. Let's see what we got here. A little bit of starter fluid. We got electricity, and we got fire, and we're running. So I think I'm not even gonna worry about cleaning the carburetor just yet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean that tank out and put some fresh gas in it. All right, folks, I don't think you can see down in there, but oh, there it goes. It's pretty ugly. So I'm gonna spray it down with some brake clean. I used all my car cleaner up. So we'll do that, and then we're gonna put this little bit of chain. I'll get that back out in a minute. Put the top on, shake it around. All right, good people. So like they say, life be life, and I got caught up, couldn't film the other portions of it, but I did run through everything, all the systems, replaced a bunch of things, but still kept our entry costs low. So we replaced the ignition switch, the battery, fuel filter, spark plug, low oil sensor because it came in the kit, and paint. Most of the things I had, here in the shop, so it was very, very little cost. I think all in all, I'm probably into the generator for $60, 65, something like that. But take a look at it, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, drop a comment below. Tell me what you want to see next. Thanks for watching Roots and Wrenches.